It's the older section of Conshohocken along Spring Mill Avenue actually. And we have 355, just recently renovated. And I'm about to meet a client, so we may cut this a little short, but completely redone, top to bottom. Laminate floors. We have kept some of the moldings. Carpeted stairs. We have a half bath here. Slightly noisy back then. Back of the property. We'll come back through. And we'll go to the kitchen. That needs to be anchored in. That's not proper. That should be fully mounted. Stove. Great fridge. Okay. Let's see. Picture this. They did the walkway with the roots to the curb. We have a little balcony area. I'm sure this could be expanded upon. And just like everyone else is having decks here, a deep little narrow yard. Okay, a little extra light through there. They've maximized the space, I believe. That's how they built out. By going over, it was probably freed up. We'll do the basement last. This is my client yet. They should be here in a moment, but people sometimes don't show. Okay. You know, it always amazes me. You do a place up and then you don't take care of the brick right there. Like, why? I don't get it. But anyway. Let's see, toilet open. Nice little texture use. And so we go to the right. We have our side-by-side dryer and washer. Nice little one. Tiles reflected here again. Just a nice little touch to see it twice. I believe I may have noticed it in the kitchen. We'll see if I'm correct. I like the radiator boxes. They're nice. Nice light. Good view, actually. Nice to see the ridge there. Okay. And up to the third floor. We shall go. Pretty spacious. Nice. Almost identical little rooms. Here you get the old school view of some of old Conshohocken. And that little space here, this would take us up to the, what is probably not much of an attic space, but nonetheless, it's there. Okay, let's head back down. Slightly damp. Not bad, but yeah, a little dampness. I'm just gonna empty the bucket there of the dehumidifier. Little shoji screen, hiding our mechanicals. So we have those. Everything's brand new. Here's sewage piping. Goes to your backyard. Yeah, pretty cool space. Deep, deep, deep backyard. Okay.